Improving your soil health can be a long-term investment. Here are 3 quick pro tips to help improve your soil over time. Tip 1, layering method. So instead of turning over your soil every season, consider the layering method where you're just layering new additions to your soil on top of one another. So you're not disturbing the microorganisms that are already thriving below. When you layer compost, mulch, and other organic matter on top, it will slowly feed your soil bed and not disturb what's already there. Tip 2, plant rotation. It's best practice to plant specific plants in different parts of your garden season to season. This way, you aren't depleting your soils of that nutrients that those plants need. For example, if you have tomatoes on this side of the bed season after season, your soils will be depleted of those specific nutrients that tomatoes need. To make sure this doesn't happen, consider planting your tomatoes in a different part of your garden. That way, you know the soils have the proper nutrients for your tomatoes to thrive. Tip 3, cover your soil surface during the off-season. A great way to do this is incorporating cover crops. Look up the best cover crop plant for your region and incorporate this into your garden. This way, your soil surface is covered and it also feeds nutrients that is great for your soil once you get back into it during the growing season. Or utilize mulch. Mulch covers your soil surface so your soil isn't exposed to the elements during the off-season. This way, the live microorganisms can still be active below. To learn more ways to improve your garden, visit NearSourceOrganics.com.